Hi, I'm Monique Bradley.
And I'm Pete Ward from Yourfix Communications.
Over the last 3 years, Pete and I have reached more than 150 million people worldwide in the digital space. And now we're ready to take all of our tips and tricks and techniques and share that with business owners and entrepreneurs like you, ready to grow their impact in the digital world.
We're coming to Brisbane to run a series of in-real-life workshops to help you achieve your goals in this digital space. And some of the things you're going to learn are how to turn what you do into a branding statement you can use everywhere that lets everyone know the value you can give them instantly.
The 3 things to change or apply to your LinkedIn profile to make you stand out and attract more attention.
How to apply a simple 3-step sales funnel that is guaranteed to increase lead conversions as easy as 1, 2, 3.
Making professional quality business videos for social media and your website using your smartphone.
And for those just starting out with using social media to promote your business, we'll run an introduction to social media marketing workshop.
And that's just the tip of the iceberg. We've already had a heap of inquiries from people wanting to be part of these workshops. So if you're interested, read the information below and make sure you book your space right now.
See you soon, Brisbane.